We are trying the new KFC chicken burger for the first time. Very excited. We don't eat a lot of junk food. It doesn't look like it because I've got this big 2020 New Year's spot on my face. But we don't actually eat a lot of junk food. But I am interested to see. I was never even into KFC when I did eat animals. So
it's good.
But I'm still interested to see because I actually always liked.
Just eat the
food. I always liked the I always liked the McChicken sandwich meal at McDonald's. I feel like that might be like that. Okay.
It's definitely got that KFC blend of spices. It's very soft. I like the texture of it. Could do with a bit more mayo. But the mayo's good as well. I like it. It's a très bien from me. And it's quite girthy as well, and it like quite thick. Although it could be wider, if that makes sense.
Don't do that.
Let's try try a little bit on its own.
That is really nice. I have to say, KFC have outdone themselves here. No excuses, people.
That's just like chicken.
You wouldn't even know the difference.
You could definitely fool someone with that.
How would you know? You would never know. This is really good. Ooh. I'll show them the Christmas lights.
I think I heard him ordering a few others when saying on 4 vegan burgers or something.
I'm really sorry.
What?
It's fine.
Wow, nice and soft.
That to me tastes no different.
Yeah, it's literally, I don't think I could tell you any difference. It's quite nice, and it's not like dry either, is it? It's quite nice and got some moistness to it, I feel. They're £4 each though.
They'll probably get cheaper if they're more popular.
Yeah, obviously it's better value if you get like a meal or something, but I don't actually know if the chips are vegan.
Oh.
I think they fry them in the same oil as the popcorn chicken, I think. But you're not exactly contributing to, are you? Well, I don't know if that's a moral issue, really.
I do.
You're not adding to the demand for animal products.
I don't want my fries fried in chicken bloody remains. Personally, that didn't feel nice to me.
Yeah, the breadcrumbs are very KFC like, aren't they?
Well,
Signature KFC.
I don't actually remember KFC that well because I didn't really eat them that much.
I didn't either really, but I literally only ate at KFC a handful of times.
What's that?
I only ate at KFC like literally a handful of times in my life. Oh yeah. So you can tell, like, when, like,
It's really good.
with that chicken that you could eat on its own, and it still tastes exactly the same as normal chicken, from what I remember at least. So that's why all them products now, like the Linda McCartney, like vegan chicken bucket. Well, that's, you'll get that next from KFC probably. Like the bucket of chicken.
You're burping. It's probably not very good for you though, is it? But is it? No.
It's not good for you. It's not. It's bad for you, I wouldn't say.
Do you think they have MSGs in it?
Must be good.
They must do. They must have MSGs in this because they probably put MSGs in the coating of the.
Do you want me to finish it for you? Sure about that? No, you've done it. You've left the best bits to last.
Yeah, you go round. You have to go round it, and then it's all chunky in the middle.
Yeah.
Is that what you do?
I wasn't too much of a ravenous fury. Just get another photo. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Eat 3 of them.
Got to get it right. You can do anything you want to do. When your mind's on it, you can do it. Prove it to yourself and say, I want, I will, I can do anything.
Final bite.
Tell you what, the zero.
How did it take you 10 minutes to eat that burger? I mean, okay, that's fine.
Zero chicken.
Or as neck chick.
11. Is that going to come out the wrong way around then?
No, probably not.
I think it might.
I reckon when you. No, I reckon it'll be the right way around when it's
Zero chicken, 11 herbs and spices. Highly recommend. Hold on, I'm going to show you Christmas lights.
No fecal bacteria either.
Say that again, sir.
I said there's no fecal bacteria either, which is always a bonus. Unless you like that kind of thing.
Why do you have to be stupid?
The important thing is the taste and the texture of the top drawer. Probably like 9 out of 10. Just needed more mayo and a wider burger.
Mine had enough mayo in it actually. I thought that mine was a substantial amount of mayo. But that's good then, because that's vegan mayonnaise as well, isn't it?
Well, yeah.
So it's not just a vegan faux chicken patty, it's actually vegan mayonnaise as well. So
yes. We ate it.
that's great! Out of 10 then. Out of 10.
Well, I'm gonna say out of 10 based on like the burger itself and the combination and the taste and texture. I'd give it a 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
Yeah.
I would give it.
With if it had just a bit more mayo on it.
Yeah.
Forgetting about the size of it.
Oh.
But as far as taste and texture goes, 9 out of 10.
For me, I can't really fault it. So I'd say 10. 10 out of 10. Because I didn't like. To me, mine seemed to fit the bun, and I had enough mayo. I guess you mean, oh yeah, like width-wise.
Yeah,
because it was lengthwise.
It was pretty much long enough, but just didn't seem to be wide enough. It was thick enough, it had good thickness to it, and it was nice and soft and moist. It looked like chicken, it tasted like chicken. It had the signature KFC spice mix to it, whatever you want to call it. Overall, very impressive. Quite expensive though, so not fantastic value, but you know, better than murdering an animal, isn't it?
Much better than murdering an animal or exploiting an animal for its secretions.
Well, it would be murdered, you know.
Well, yeah, it would be murdered at some point anyway, but I just mean with mayonnaise, it's normally made with eggs, isn't it? Milk.
Yeah, eggs.
Anyway, that is our KFC adventure. Trying the new KFC Zero Chicken burger. Woo, woo, woo! So I'll see you in the next video.